Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, if you didn't know. I want to first welcome all my first-time viewers. If you're new to this channel, if you clicked on this video, I want to thank you for doing that. You could have clicked on any other video, but you clicked on mine, and I really appreciate it. Thank you.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Hope everyone who has clicked on this video is having a great day. Hopefully it's not raining, storming, you know, because lately down hasn't been it. Like, literally, it's been all over the place. Like, 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's humid. Weather here is just not it, especially for the summer. I don't know what's going on this summer. Well, really, let's just say this year. This year it just hasn't been it. We could really cancel 2020 for real, okay?
And
Before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button. They're literally right next to each other, so you guys have time to do both. As my previous viewers know, I'm not a lipstick person. So why not make a video on lip gloss, which I love. The lip gloss I chose for this video, I feel they're bomb lip glosses by some nice brands. I mean, I think they're that nice to put them in a video, right? So why not? As I said previously, I'm not the makeup guru, okay?
That's true.
I do what's best for me. If it works for me, great. If it works for you, even better. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 6, maybe 5 drugstore lip glosses. I'm not really sure, don't quote me. We'll see how many I have in this video, okay? So y'all bear with me. My least favorite product that I'm going to pick out of the lip gloss is going to be NYX Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. Now let me just say this. The color, I'm going to rank it number 5, but the collection, the product itself, I'm going to rank it at least a number 2 or number 1. I've used NYX so long, I know how this product works. In the past, I bought so many other colors from this company that I just prefer over this one. That's the reason I'm ranking it a number 5. Some things I can let you guys know that I do love about NYX. I love how small the lip gloss tube is. I know for sure this tube will fit in any small handbag or purse. As you apply NYX to your lips, you can notice it has a kind of silky, smoothish coat to it. It will definitely moisturize your lips during the first application and also give your lips a little bit of shine. Sometimes when using NYX, I do have to reapply, but for sure nothing too obsessive when using this product. So my number 4 product is going to be Rimmel London. How about I turn it for y'all? Rimmel London Stay Glossy, and this is in the color Tainted Love, okay? So as I applied Rimmel London, it gave off this nudish kind of pinkish color, so you guys can kind of figure out why I ranked it number 4. Even though Rimmel was ranked number 4, it wasn't as loud as the NYX color, but it was for sure on that pinkish side. So that's the reason I wasn't really feeling it that much. The color kind of gave me more of a spring summer feel. You know, something that you can put on as you're stepping out going to brunch, or, you know, just going out the house, getting out the house. As I applied Rimmel to my lips, I noticed it was thick and a little bit sticky. So I do feel it is a long-lasting lip gloss. It can last you up to 2 to 3 hours before having to reapply, just depending on the things you're doing, whether if you're talking, eating, drinking, all that good stuff. So the one I'm going to pick for number 3 is going to be this. The crazy thing is I had to mute this part of the video because I kept saying that this product was from Covergirl. The whole video says Covergirl, and the product is not from Covergirl. This is definitely from Maybelline, okay? Maybelline. See, I disliked about this product would have to be the lip gloss applicator. Can y'all see that? Like, I was trying to figure out why the applicator was so huge. The applicator was so huge that you couldn't get enough product to put on your lips. Like, it was holding back, you know? But other than that, I can say I did like the color. It's not too loud. It gives you just the right amount of shine. But also it's not a thick, sticky lip gloss. After applying my Maybelline lip gloss, I can tell you will definitely have to reapply this lip gloss after some hours, especially if you want your lips to stay glossy. So I do feel that this lip gloss can give your lipsticks or even your lip matte glosses the right shine to make your lips pop. So just to inform you guys, I did buy this lip gloss from Target. I want to say it cost about $7 to purchase. Okay, my top two, it's going to be e.l.f. and this is in the color Fantasy and Clear. I told you guys at the beginning of the video that I did have like 7 lip glosses, but I did have some that were like the same. So I was like, why put it together? Let's just get this out the way. So things that I can say that I liked about e.l.f. would be, as you're applying, you can smell this kind of sweet vanilla-y smell. Most of the other ones, most of the other lip glosses that I tried on didn't really have like that kind of sweet smell. But e.l.f. did. So with applying both e.l.f. products, I can let everyone know that this is not really a thick type of lip gloss. It's kind of sticky, but not thick. I know it kind of doesn't make any sense, but hopefully it makes enough sense to you guys. So during this segment, you can see I did apply Fantasy first. With Fantasy, I used it by itself. I didn't feel the need to actually put it on top of another product because it already has this sheer, shiny coat to it. During this clip, you guys will see me apply the Clear e.l.f. lip gloss to my lips. The product that you see me using now is by Black Radiance, and it's a matte lip gloss. I wanted to show you guys a different way to use the clear color and also see the shine as well. The good thing about the Clear e.l.f. lip gloss is that you can use this product by itself as well. If you're like me, you can't keep up with chapstick to save your life. So a good replacement would be this good old clear lip color, especially if you need to moisturize your lips. And also I did buy this brand from Target, and I want to say it cost a good $3. So very much affordable for my beginners, okay? So my number one, I'm going to pick this good old Black Radiance Perfect Tone lip gloss, and this is in the color Urban Nude. And I chose Black Radiance because of the color, of course. As you can see, as I'm putting it on, it gives off this light nudish brownish color, which I love. I was like, oh, this is cute. So, you know, it does give off a little bit of something that's not just clear. The color this lip gloss is giving me is a light brownish nude color. It would be great by itself and also on top of a nude lipstick. Something about this lip gloss that stood out to me was that it has SPF 15 in it. So not only are you getting a cute lip color, you're also getting protection as well. As you apply this lip gloss to your lips, you will notice that it's thick and a little bit heavy. So it will for sure moisturize your lips and give it a nice glossy shine. So I did buy this lip gloss from WALGREENS and not Target, and it cost $4.59. So also affordable, okay? Alright, you guys, that is a wrap on my top 5 lip glosses. Low-key 7. I had to put that in there just to let y'all know, so it's not really a disclaimer, but that is a wrap on my top 5 lip glosses. Alright, so I do have more lip glosses down below in my collection that I can try on for you guys. So if you would like to see more lip colors, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe so I can know that you've seen it and that you're interested, and so that I can get this video out for you guys, okay? I will definitely try to do a part 2 for you guys, especially if you want to see it. So I hope everyone has enjoyed this video. I will for sure leave everything that I've talked about in this video down below in the description box. So make sure you scroll down and you check that out. Each product that I tried on today was under $10. Probably no more than 7. I want to thank each and every one of you for clicking on this video. Like I said in the beginning, it means a lot. It really does. It does give me a little motivation to keep on going. Make sure you check out my previous videos, okay? They're there. Just go check them out. I hope y'all enjoy your day. I hope you won't stress out about anything. So yeah, so you guys have a good one, and bye.